The judge showed rare understanding of DeFi technology and stated the defendants would do better to address their complaints to Congress. The United States District Court of Southern New York has dismissed a class action suit against Uniswap Labs, its CEO, foundation, and venture capital backers, brought by plaintiffs who claim they lost money due to scam tokens on the decentralized cryptocurrency exchange. Judge Catherine Polk-Thala, who handed down the dismissal, is also hearing the Securities and Exchange Commission's case against Coinbase. The suit was brought by 6 individuals who bought tokens on Uniswap between December 2020 and March 2022. They argued on the behalf of a nationwide class of users that Uniswap Labs controlled liquidity pools on the protocol, including those created by the scammers. They lost money too, and the suit was filed in April 2022. The defendants were demanding a rescission of the smart contracts they entered into buying the scam tokens with compensation under the Revenue Securities Act of 1933 and Securities Exchange Act of 1934. One of the plaintiffs argued that their claim was backed up by the fact that Uniswap held liquidity provider funds and newly created tokens in Uniswap's proprietary core contracts, used routers that controlled the process transactions on the protocol, and issued liquidity tokens when pools were created. In addition, the plaintiffs held that the defendants likely held at least 88% of Uniswap's UNI governance tokens, although they had no actual knowledge of token ownership. The judge said in her order that neither side knew the identities of the scammers, and in place of suing the scammers for unlawful solicitation, the plaintiffs were suing the defendants for statements made on social media. The court did not overlook that fact. And the next indicated point is the judge commented in more general terms as well, and writing about the plaintiff's allegations concerning the core and router contracts that she said procedures built. The judge cited the unsuccessful class action brought against Coinbase in 2022 for unregulated security sales in her reasoning. She dismissed the case with prejudice, meaning the case cannot be retried. Community commenters noted with pleasure that the decision showed a considerable depth of decentralized finance, big lesson for crypto policymakers and financial regulators and the administrative state at large. If you choose to avoid the legal process, if you do not want to engage in a good faith rulemaking, the courts will not bail you out.